I've been reselling part-time for about 3 years now, and I've really enjoyed myself. But the thing I always struggle with, guys, is time. Time to do the orders, time to do the packing, time to do the listing. I just find little sort of gaps here and now just to do things, and I just can't get fully going, if you know what I mean. So if you don't know me, I'm Justin. I run this channel, Retro Revivals, and I am a part-time reseller. So as you can see here, I'm just in my garage, nothing fancy. It's a nice bit of a mess at the moment, as you can see. It is an absolute tip. But going back, guys, I mean, look, everything's reasonably neat, and then you've got all my unlisted stock just bunged in there. That's all going to be. But going back to what I was saying, guys, it's about time. You know, I could really do, and at the weekends I'm busy with family and things like that. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to it. But that doesn't mean that we give up, does it? It means that we literally go to the boot sales and we make sales and pick up bargains. So I'm going to show you what has sold yesterday. First sale, we have a pair of Crocs. Now these are a size, I always pick up Crocs. I find Crocs sell so easily, especially in the summer, and in black and white I find sell quite well. But they're always an easy pick up, around the £4 mark, something like that. And I think these went for £15.99, so you're always around that mark, £15 to £20. You're always looking at getting that for them. So yeah, that was another good sale, guys. And we've got, this one's quite a good one. Not an expensive, this is a really, really cheap sale. But I bought a bag last week, and as I do every time I get an item like a bag, I look inside, see if there's anything in there, so I don't sell it with some random item in there. And I opened the bag, and this was in here. So I can get you there. I'll lay it out so you can see it. It's an Italian, Firenze Italian apron. Now, I don't know the value of it. I sort of had a little quick look up. So I actually just got £2 for it at the end of the day. I think I paid £2 for the bag. So that paid for the bag. So I now got a free head bag to sell. But yeah, that was just a little sale. I thought I'd give someone a bargain there. And someone has picked that up. And that is on Vinted for £2. So we don't pay any fees on Vinted. And I've got a video coming up, guys, of all this week's pickups at the weekend. And I picked up a load of Brita filters. So I picked up 2 packs. One, I didn't realise, I didn't even check, to be honest. I'm really doing this lately for some reason. I'm not checking what I'm picking up. You are about to see, guys, there's a video coming up of me conning myself out of money on some golf balls. It is ridiculous. I cannot believe what I did buying these golf balls. Anyway, I'm veering off here on a side note. So I picked up 2 packs. One of these Brita filter packs was full with 6 cartridges. The other one only had 3 cartridges in. So I picked both up for £3. I thought the other one was full as well, but I have sold one for £14.99. So we're already in the profit, which means the other one I think I've got up for about £8.99. So I'm hoping that I get full money for that, and it was a good deal overall. So not too bad. I have had these for 2 years. In fact, when I looked at the listing photos when the sale came through of these kickers, see them there? Right, I literally didn't believe that it was actually 2 houses ago. So I have moved twice, it's a long story, and these kickers were in my old house. So I've had these for a long time, and they sold for £9 on eBay. So I think I paid £1 for them, but you take off fees and that. It wasn't the greatest sale. Probably won't pick them up again. The kid sizes, I find kickers, if you pick up adult sizes, you'd probably do well. Picking up kid sizes, you're not going to do great on them. So yeah, I probably won't pick them up again. In the video I just did, I think it's the last boot sale video, I picked up 2 mixers. I'll show you them here. So anyone who did a bit of DJing back in the day will know this mixer. It is called, I can get a bit of, it's called a Rocklab MRT 60. So I remember these, 'cause I used to do a bit of DJing back in the day, and I managed to pick up 2 at the boot sale. It was a nice chap, he always has really good stuff, always looks after me. And I bought 2 of them for £25. So that one has just sold for £49.99. I haven't put the other one on yet, so I need to get that put on ASAP. I'll have to use different pictures because it's a slight difference. I think one of the knobs is missing or something like that. If items are identical, I'll probably use the same picture sometimes. A bit of laziness probably, and will catch me out one day. But so yeah, so one of them sold for £49.99, so I was happy with that. Right, and also a few boot sales ago, I find toasters go well, guys. I don't know about you if you pick up toasters. This Breville, it's a 4 slice toaster, and it's in good nick. Like I say, I gave it a little clean up, and that sold for £19.99. I paid £4 at a boot sale. I think it was about 3 weeks ago. So that was a reasonably quick sale. I always pick up a toaster. You got a chance they're not going to work, but I mean, I don't think I haven't picked up a toaster that doesn't work yet. I mean, as long as it toasts bread, I suppose that's all they've got to do, isn't it? If the element's gone or something, it should. But yeah, apart from that, so we also have this is the last sale. I didn't do as well as I thought, but we have this. I don't know what it is about this season so far, but I'm picking up boom boxes everywhere. And this one is I think it's Bush. Yes, it's a Bush boom box. And I paid £3 for that. All fully working, all fine. And that is off to someone for £19.99. So that was a good sale as well, guys. So yeah, it wasn't an overly busy weekend. That wasn't all the weekend stuff. I have packed up a lot of other stuff, and that's all gone now. So that's all good. But I need to get round to tidying this stuff up, because it is I can't even get to all my clothes. Look, I've got all the lovely football shirts here. Look, all there ready to rock and roll. I can't even get to them because of all this. It's just I'll get a better view, guys, of it. Got to see what I'm working with here. It's a bit of a nightmare. I've got this bike as well. I thought it would sell well. Picked it up and managed to get it in the back of my car back in the winter at the boot sale. Hasn't sold yet. I haven't put it on eBay. I've just put it on Marketplace. I've had a few silly offers, but nothing major. So anyway, guys, I'm going to love and leave you. I'm going to start doing a bit more of these videos, because I think I'm not getting the subscribers. Getting plenty of views and that on my boot sale videos, but I feel like I'm not giving, I'm not getting a good enough connection with you guys, because I'm not doing enough of these videos, and I'm probably getting casual viewers who like watching a bit of boot sale footage, but they've got no reason to subscribe or anything like that. So guys, if you want to follow this journey, I basically, the story is I want to end up doing this full time. So I'm trying to cram in as much as I can, grow as much as I can, replace my income and leave my job. So that's my aim. So if you want to follow on my journey, then like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.